Hi, I'm Mike Morrow, and I am the instructor for the Area 31 new program, Digital Integrated Manufacturing. We are so excited about this program that it's going to give the students the opportunity to learn digital integrated manufacturing and how that is used in industry and in warehouses and in logistics. And this technology that we will be exploring is a thing of the future and a huge market for employers to hire employees. So there's a big job market. If you're interested, then please go to the Area 31 website, and there's information on how to sign up for the Digital Integrated Manufacturing class. And we would love to have you in this class next year, and we're excited about being to give the opportunities to the students. And it's an exploding market, so we're happy to help train you to become part of this new revolution. Thank you.